Hey guys, Robert here with NEI. So, I thought I would take the opportunity today, since we're all quarantined, right, to show you guys the R8s. So NEI is running a promotion right now on the R8s, base, Rover, and a copy of Trimble Business Center. So I thought I would take the opportunity today to kind of explain to you what an R8s is and how well it actually works. So the S stands for scalable. So being scalable means I can do different things with it. I can make it a base, I can make it a Rover, I can make it a base and Rover, or it just lets me purchase GPS, get into Trimble equipment more economically than just buying a full-blown receiver, right? So this thing's scalable, so you can upgrade it. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna shoot some points in. I've got my robot set up, and that's kind of how we check our position a lot of times when we're doing demos. So I thought I'd just show you guys how this works. So right now, I am set up. So let's just go ahead and measure a point and see what happens. What do you say? Let's change this to CP nail. And I'm gonna call this point number 1, because I may end up setting a total station up on it. So let's take a shot, store it.
Observation stored.
Let's flip over to the robot, stake out points. I am going to say point number 1, and I'm going to change that to the robot, enter, stake out. So as you can see, I mean, it took a pretty good shot. So I shot it in with my, there we go. I shot it in with my GPS, and then I'm staking it out with the robot. So we're right underneath this tree. So as you can see, our position doesn't look too bad. We're within a 10th horizontally. We're north of 10th, we're right 300ths, our fill is 600ths, and that's right underneath this tree. So that just proves to me that I was able to get a shot without multipath in it underneath this tree. So let's go ahead and move down to the other point. Let's shoot it and see how well that works.
Go right.
Okay, so let's try point number 2 and see how well that works. Okay, so let me get out of here, get out of there. Let's go in point number 2. Looks like we're fixed underneath these trees. Pretty good. So I'll store this shot. So well, some of the other things that I wanted to tell you about was, so with these receivers, you can, let's go into stake out, whoops, stake out, points. Let's do number 2, enter, stake out. I'll switch over. So you can see we're even tighter on this one, and I've got more trees. So 700ths for elevation, 300ths out, go right 700. So position's pretty good. But one of the other things I want to tell you is these things being scalable, I can do a lot with them. So let's take, for instance, that I have a base station. So it's a base only. So at any time, I can upgrade to a Rover. I can add a Rover to it. I can add constellations to it. I can do different things. I can add a NEMA string if I want to hook it up to like HiPack or something like that, right? So it's completely scalable, so I can upgrade. So what that does is that kind of puts you on a path, right? That puts you on a path to buy a receiver, get into Trimble equipment. That package includes the TSC7. So it lets you get into the Trimble equipment relatively inexpensively. And it's amazing how easy it is to get hooked up. So we've got some leasing programs and stuff like that. So point number 3, So I wanted to tell you guys about Trimble's leasing that they've just started with all this coronavirus stuff going on. Trimble is giving us a promotion that we can use, and that promotion is a 24-month 0% financing in addition to a 90-day deferred. So basically what that does is that lets you go ahead and purchase the equipment now. You've got 90 days before you have to worry about making any kind of payments, and that rolls into a 24-month lease. So really great way to, if you've been thinking about getting into Trimble equipment, it's a great way to get into Trimble equipment. So, okay, that was number 3. Let's stake it out. Let's see how well this works. Number 3. Looking pretty good. 200s, 400s, and 200s. So I'm in the edge of the trees. So that shot actually worked out pretty good. So $28,999 for the promotion, 90-day deferred payment, 24 months 0%. Guys, you can't go wrong. If you're thinking about getting into Trimble equipment, now's your opportunity. I would take advantage of the promotion that Trimble's running right now and can get you on a path. You can always upgrade these receivers at any time, but that can get you started. That includes a base only, Rover only, Trimble Business Center, I believe intermediate, which would let you process static data and do some of the stuff that I'm showing you guys on my channel. And that's the data collector, brackets, poles, everything you need to get going, right? Everything you need to throw in the truck, get started surveying. So you guys, give me a call, give the office a call. You know, if you guys want to take a look at one of these packages that we've got no problem either bringing it by, showing it to you. We can mail it to you for a few days. We can do whatever you want to do. So if you're interested, you want to take a look at them, just give us a holler. We'll hook you up. You guys be safe now. Don't get any corona on you.